It's day 12 of pushing this button to improve our living situation. And today I'm making my great-grandmother's recipe while I tell you the story. We live in a one-room apartment, and before reaching for a house, we need to pay off our $20,315 loan. We pay from our own pockets, but your engagement decides how much we pay each day. We give a value to your interactions, then we count them and make a payment. In my last video, every comment, like, or share was 80 cents. You showed up with 36 reactions, so today we're paying $29 toward the loan, bringing our November total to $252. That's amazing! For this video, every follow or comment is $1, and every like or share is 70 cents. And since this project is also about connection, here's today's question. Do you prefer veggie meals or dishes with meat? I usually cook with meat, but some recipes, like this casserole, just taste better full of vegetables. My casserole just came out of the oven, and it smells and tastes incredible. Can't wait to read your comments. Let's push this button one day at a time.